Hello, we are Incredibles. How are you both?
Exactly.
Yeah, all well.
So you are enjoying your buzz moments.
Yeah.
So how's your experience? How your family is feeling about it? Have you added something new to your list? Please share, Hemaji.
Yes, I'm adding a nowadays I'm cooking because my maid is COVID positive and now I'm making a food every day and I'm enjoying and really I'm enjoying cooking different. I will make different dishes. That is my buzz moment right now.
That's good. That's good. So how your family is feeling about buzz
Amazing.
moment when you do?
Everybody appreciating my food. Definitely, I really happy. I'm happy because everybody appreciating my foods, my efforts.
Now they will ask you next time, even if the maid is there. Sometimes you cook.
Yeah. Definitely, my cooking. I will start cooking if maid is also there.
Definitely. All the best.
Thank you.
Nadeem ji, how's your experience? What you have added to your thing and how you are enjoying it with your family?
Yeah, it's a great feeling. Like we were having a terrace garden, so I've
Wow.
created a cozy corner where we go and have sit there and have some fun. So a lot of I'm trying to create buzz whole day. I'm trying to do exercise.
We can get the feeling.
Yeah.
We can get it. Okay. So,
I'm listening to music. I'm dancing.
mhm.
I'm enjoying life.
Okay. Wow, that's nice. एक pause करेंगे. So, since you say that whatever we do for ourselves, you enjoy it more. In the same way, if you, as a human being, we are a social animal, right? So we live in a society. Similarly, we have to choose the people with whom we enjoy more, we get the inspiration and all. This is called a mastermind group. So I will explain you this mastermind group little bit in detail. So your mastermind group is basically having great people around you, can greatly help you not only to stay committed to your quest, but enjoy the ride all the more. Your Incredible You coach will introduce you to other people on the program. So you have a support. They will make you laugh, challenge you, and help you change your thoughts thoughts to keep you going. You will need a dose of unconditional love, cheering on, being appreciated or understood. This support comes from friends, family, peers, mentors, and the Incredible You participants who should be in your life to help you live your purpose and ultimately become a even better version of you. So this way, what are the people who are the people which affects us is our friends with whom we hang out to have fun, our family, the blood relation or the legal relation we have, the peers with whom we have a professional relationship, our coach or Incredible You members, the people who have some characteristics that you want to develop. Any queries you have?
No.
Do you need
Yeah.
any more
No.
clarification on
Yeah.
that?
I'm just.
Okay. So here we are going to do a small activity which will help you in analyzing the people with whom we spend our time. So you will come to know through this activity how much value your current group is adding to your life, and what they can do to change it if there is no value being added. Outcome of this activity is to identify with whom we spend most of our time and make that time being spent with the people who actually add value to our life. So it has two steps. Analysis done will be in two steps. The first step will be where you have to answer a set of questions about the important people from your life and who you spend time with them. And the second step is to answer the set of questions to identify those who do not add value to your life, but they are still a part of your life. So I will give you, like, we can do it together on instant basis, right? So I'll ask you a few questions so you can answer me and you can analyze instantly. So I will go with Nadeem ji first.
Yeah.
Is that fine?
Yes.
Yeah.
So Nadeem ji, you tell me, who makes you laugh?
My kids and my friends.
Yeah. Who makes you think differently?
My coaches.
Who challenges you?
Yeah, my coaches and my good friends.
Who inspires you?
My ideals, whom I like to follow.
Who are your ideals?
Like when I was playing sports, my ideals were great sports people. So today, when I was in business people, when I'm doing something, creative thing, there are few people who is very creative. One of them is Dr. Ajay Kumar. He was a SP, and then he converted into, he has shifted many caps. So he has proven that, you can do many things in one life. You can be SP, you can be, entrepreneur, you can be MP, member of parliament, and he has done so many things in one life. So I want to do similarly many things in my life. So today I write my book. I'm a YouTuber. I was a wellness expert. I was a sportsman. So that is my idea. Yeah.
Yeah. That's great. That's great. So who is in your support team? How they help you to learn and reach your dreams?
Yeah, few friends are there, and my family. They're all support me. They support me for all my goals.
Who would you like to add to your mastermind group?
Yeah, I have different master groups. One is when I want to achieve something in fitness. There are people who think the way I think. They are disciplined and they do. So when I'm with them, we'll able to achieve what we want. And there are a few business people, so they are my master group. So they give ideas to grow the business. So the third master group is you're all my master group. So you all help me to create new ideas.
Great. Thank you so much. So, and how much time would you like to spend with this mastermind group?
At least 1 hour to 2 hours every day.
Right. And there might be some people who are negative about something or complaining. Do you know some people?
Yes. I have few people. It's toxic.
Yeah.
When I spend time with them, I feel very bad. They suck my energy. People like that.
So maybe you want to reduce your time with spend with them.
I was spending more time with them, so I used to feel low. So now I shifted my priorities, so I stopped spending more time with them.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. Let us discuss the similar questions with Hemaji. Then we'll go to the next set of questions. So Hemaji, tell me about yourself. Who makes you laugh?
1 minute.
Yes.
So Hemaji, please tell me about yourself. Who makes you laugh?
My friends makes me laugh.
Okay. And who makes you think differently?
Most of the time, me.
Okay, great. Who challenges you?
Me. My dreams challenges me.
Awesome. Who inspires you?
Inspires lot of person. I like entrepreneur person which achieve goals like my husband and so many person surrounding me. I watch in a TV they are inspire me.
Great. Who is in your support team and how they help you to learn, grow, and reach your dreams?
Yes, my family, my daughters, my friends, they support me and learn how to learn. I'm growing to reach my dreams.
Who would you ideally like to add in your mastermind
A
group?
positive person, which I want, if I want to become a good entrepreneur, so I want to add my so many entrepreneur. If I writing a book, so I want to writer in my mastermind, so I add like that, which I want, so I add that type person.
Exactly, exactly. So how much time would you like to spend in the mastermind group?
2-3 hours.
Right? And in the process, you get to know about some negative and complaining people. Do you find anyone like that?
No, if someone,
That's good.
so mm, mm, b- I maintain the gap.
True. So you, okay, that's even better. So with this, you analyze whatever people or whatever people is around us and how we can spend good time. We can find out our mastermind group like that. But there's another step too is the about the toxic people. It's not always that, as you we have observed in the question, that talk, some people talk negatively and talk, starts complaining are the only toxic people. There are some other type of toxic people are also there. I will explain little bit about it. The toxic people, the people who choose to spend your time with, should be inspiring, positive, honest in their opinion. People pleasers are toxic. Sometimes they always talk positive, like they want to please you. They don't want to bring the current correct status in front of you. They are also a kind of toxic people for us because we don't know where we are lacking. If someone you hang out with doesn't currently bring out any value to your life and you want to do something about it, then answer the 7 toxic identifier questions listed in the coming pages. So here you have to analyze, you have to choose three. There are 3 set of questions. You can choose anyone from your life and answer such type of question, those questions. So I'll just to highlight little bit, I'll ask just few questions to, then you will come to know how it is going. So what I am, Nadeem ji, you would like to answer first?
Yeah, yeah.
So what, the first question is what I am gaining by spending my limited time or precious time with this kind of person?
The toxic people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are the questions you can ask when you are in the group of people. You can ask yours, answer these questions, that what you are gaining. Then only you will identify whether the person is to- is toxic to you or it's adding value to your life.
Yeah, when I spend time with them, I feel little low. Okay, I feel it's a waste of talking to them. Whatever I'm telling, they are not listening, and then sometimes I feel bad after spending time. The whole night I'll not get sleep because of I'm sharing my ideas. They're not encouraging. They're not
Right.
supporting and all that. So it drains out my energy and everything.
Exactly, exactly. So you can analyze yourself with these set of questions.
Yeah.
What, who are the toxic people and who are adding value to your life? In the same way, Himaji, you can also do this exercise. I think you might have done it also. Now, and you can very well analyze who are the toxic people. Like for example, I would like to say I have 20-25 friends in common in general, but truly speaking, only 3 or 4 are such friends who gives me the correct feedback about myself. Others are just doing ha ha he he every time and enjoying life. That's all. But only few are there who will give you right. Maybe they will add value to your life.
You're right.
Right. So with this, like we will move next session, and we are ending with the week 4. If you have any query after doing these exercises, you can get back to me and drop me a message.
Yes.
Keep doing your buzz movements and adding value to your act. Appreciate yourself at every point of time.
Yeah. Thank.
So we'll see you next week. Will be our main and the last week. You will get to know everything in a
Yeah.
concrete form, you know. So are you
Yes.
excited about
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, we are excited.
So we'll see you next week. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
bye. Bye.
Bye.